Good evening to all. My name is Andrew Cotter. We've been looking forward to this one between Fiji and Fiji. There is nothing at all friendly about this friendly. Both teams will come out firing to get the win in the bag today. Not long to go now until we see the kick-off.
Please make some noise as they walk out onto the pitch.
Joining me in the commentary box is Jonathan Davis. Jeffy, what are your thoughts on this one?
Hi Andrew, it's always a pleasure to be here. I think this match is too close to call really. Both teams have a solid pack of forwards, a great attacking backline and a very impressive defensive structure.
Well, that is an interesting choice. Thanks for that. And we're underway as they get the kick out there. Catches on the full. Flips the pass. Shake it up a little there. Quick delivery here with a chance to offload in this tackle. He looks for touch. Well, he's taken that one with ease. Gets the pass away. That's a clever pass. Wrapped up close to the touchline. He passes the ball. Shaken up, I think, by that tackle. Nice vision. Cut out ball. Tries a pass back inside. Offloads. Gives it on. There's some urgency at the breakdown. Taking all the time from this ruck. Better get it out now. Shovels it on. Receives the pass. Moves it on. Flicks the ball inside. Quick ball. Oh, and he's intercepted it. Fires that pass out. He's brought to ground. Finds the inside man. Finds support now. Muntz collected there on halfway. Well, that is a bullet pass. Taking it up to the defence. Snappy pass. Sila. Rock ball. That's quick ball. It's sandwiched in the tackle. He was the filling. Sends it back inside. Well, he managed to regather the loose ball. Explodes through the defence. An attacking kick across to the corner. Kicks for the touchline.
This game, nicely balanced, could go either way.
Let's see how this line out unfolds. He needs to hurry up with the throw-in. He might concede a free kick here. Beautiful offload. Pass is short. Hard to make ground when there are that many in the tackle. Goes wide. Cut out ball. Tries to find touch. Someone needs to recover this. Lovely ball. Shoves his way through. Lays it off. Tackled, but looking to offload. Ruck is formed. Good ball. Ravutamada. Fires out a pass. Loops it over the top. He really should have offloaded the ball. Finds support inside. Sends it long, sends it fast. Mata. Stop now, on halfway. Has a look and flicks it inside. Secures the ball. Passes inside. Maui. Chance to offload. Pushes it on wide. Sila. Fires out a torpedo pass. Half-time, approaching fast. This kick will test the winger. Who will get there first? Brought down, close to the touchline. Feeds it on. Picked off by the defence. Dolokoto. Oh, he shot up too quickly. Very slow ball. Flips the pass. Turns it inside. Sila with momentum. Quick delivery here. Sends it long and sends it quick. Two coming together to make the tackle. That will do the job. Looks and turns the ball inside. Gets the pass away. Dolokoto. He passes the ball. Ravi surges forward in the tackle. Quick with a pass. Another backwards kick. Unbelievable. The referee has asked him to use it. He'd better get it out. Driven back in the tackle. Good vision. Passes long. Forms the ruck. Has a look and passes long. Cutting out a few of his teammates. Has his arms free. Gives it on. Delivers a long ball. Dumped in the tackle. Cutting out his teammates. Getting that ball out quickly. The whistle blows for half-time and neither team has put points on the board. Let's cross over to Sean and Jiffy and find out what they think of this first half.
What a game this has been so far. Both teams are not letting up. Hey, Jiffy.
It's been a seesaw battle with the lead changing more often than not. This one is certainly keeping me on the edge of my seat, and that's a great watch.
For sure. Can't wait for the second half to begin.
He catches it on the full. Sends that pass out. Passes long. Shovels it wide. Receives the pass. Able to stand up in the tackle. That's a snappy pass. Keeps the pass flat. Cuts out a few of his teammates. Arms are free and there's the offload. Works it on. Shovels it wide now. Ruck formed. They lay the ball back. Just rifles the pass. Muntz. Wainikolo.
Take him back.
There's a ruck formed with a cutout pass. He feeds one through, looking for touch. Well positioned to take the kick. He goes with a cutout pass. Ikaniveri drives in to make the tackle on the bigger man. Derenalangi. Almost too many defenders here to count. Goes long with that one. He's got one arm free. Kurovoli. Muntz flips the pass. Tackling in real numbers here. Ravai. Masilasila with the tackle. Quick delivery here. Ravutamada. Taken in the scrambling tackle. Maui. He's missed the tackle. They drive him back. Gets the pass away. Maya Navanua. Now getting plenty of numbers to the tackle. Just a smothering tackle. He passes the ball. He manages to get to the loose ball. Good support at the breakdown. He's looking for the touchline. Well, this is unusual. Tries a pass back inside. And on the touchline, Sean Hawley. Sean, how are the conditions for today?
There's a slight wind blowing, but it shouldn't have too much of an impact on the game.
Thank you for that, as we can get back to it now. Goes to the back. He wins the line out. Shovels it on. Trying to offload. Flicks the ball inside. Defence closing in. That is a big tackle. That's a clever pass. Masilasila. He's held on halfway. Fires that pass out. A swarm of defenders there. Gives it on. Ravai. They try to strip the ball in the tackle. Big numbers in defence. Moves it on. One of them will have to come up with magic, otherwise we're going to extra time. Fires it out long. He's probing for a gap. He needs to turn around. Finds the inside man. He joins the ruck quickly. Nice vision. Cut out ball. Stays strong and passes. Ball and all tackle. Shake it up a little there. Spreads it wide. Gets the pass away despite the tackle. And look at that pass. Well, that is a bullet pass. Supporting players coming in. Sends it back inside. Receives the pass. That is just about the best run of the game. And they've done it! Oh my God, they've got the try with just a moment of time left on the clock. Look at their faces, they are ecstatic.
That is their first try.
This kick will extend the lead. Now the chance to add the extras.
He strikes it poorly.
He didn't strike the ball well enough. Seemed a bit distracted by the noise of the crowd.
5.
That will be it for today. This game is over. Saying goodbye for now. Hope you enjoy.
For today,
Until next time.
Fiji.